Hi everyone, right, this is random kit number 4. This is a little bit special and it's a little bit more expensive because underneath you've got a nice big piece of pure silk fabric. It's stunning and you'll see it in a minute. But for now I'm just going to show you all the bits and bobs that's gone in this. Oh, and I forgot, and that's to go in it as well. So there's that one. So we've got the ribbon. It's the satin ribbon ruffle, so that's in it, and you've got over a metre of that. Now hang on, because I've got to find somewhere to put it all, so I'll go through the small bits first and I can bag all those up. Now I've put in 6, did I put in 6? Yeah, of the elongated rice bead. You've 6 of those. You've 24 of the glass pearl teardrop. You've 24 of those. Oi, with these nails it takes ages to pick up. Sorry. Come on. There we go. I'm putting the 3 little cream bows in. It's like a goldy colour, isn't it? I've found that because you've got this pink colour in the flowers, so it's just a 3-stranded one. If you're going to make a flower from that, you can hang those from it. That's good. You can also shorten them, don't forget. I've got some little goldy beads, so glass beads, and then we've got 3 of the Moroccan in the orangey colour, because it's got orange in it. And then 3 of the gold. These are glass Moroccan beads. We've got a large and a small pearl if you're going to make yourself a tassel. We've got one of those with a pearl centre. One of those. One of those. These that Tatty makes, and I've put that one in with black because it's got the background of that is black. So I'm just going to shut that for now because I've got another one to do. So that's that one. Let me get another bag. Okay, so now I've got to be careful here. I've given you, these are brass, so they're really good quality, large bead caps like that, and you've got 12 of those because you've got 12 stick pins here. I've also given you 6 of the large crystal. These are they're not just crystal, these are from a vintage necklace, so they're old crystal, when crystal used to be crystal, not faked. So that's that. Then I've given you a dozen of the smaller crystals, and the AB colour on them is fantastic. I just need to be careful. I want to make sure I get all of these put in. So you've 12 of those. Oops a daisy. And then to go between your beads on your stick pin, you've got some little glass ones there as well, and you've got 12 of those. So you've 1 for each of your stick pins. Now I'll pop your stick pins to one side, so you've 12 stick pins as well, because they need to go into something to stop them sticking in people. I put a little fan in, like a diamante fan as well. I've given you a large cut glass crystal things that pendant, but I've also given you the large black one as well, which is glass, because like I said, the background is black. I've given you a selection of brown beads because you've got some brown fabric as well, so you've got those with the light switch one, and some more crystals and bits and bobs. I've also given you a picture, one of the small pictures, and peel back the back. and then you can put that over it unless you want to use it on a different picture of your own choice. But a large cabochon, glass cabochon. You've also got a long strand. This is the chained pearl, because you can use this anywhere on a project, and it's quite long, so you have 4 strands. I mean, it's like that. So you've got about 12, 24, 48 inches of that. And then that, which is just, thought could be, if you're going to do a tag or something, that could go across the bottom. Or you can undo it and use the pearl somewhere else. A vintage pearl necklace. Now, just the odd bead I wouldn't use, but the rest of it's okay. Let me just see that one. That's the wrong one I've picked up. Sorry, I do apologise. Here it is. That's the one. That one. Glass beads. So you've got that, and then I've given you, it's the Tree of Life bracelet. Now you can either wear it or you can incorporate it into this project somewhere, but I thought it's gold coloured. It is modern, and it'll go in something or on something that you decide to make. Then you've got your large ring and your hook in case you want to make a charm of some sort with all your beads. So that's going in there. Now, regarding the appliques, I've put 3 of those large flowers in. This beautiful applique, the flower one in a gold colour, and then you've got these which are golden cream, that you can take that off, cut round and use those to up as well. Let me get a bag for those. Oops. And then I've given you that trim, which is the cream. I'm not sure, I can't see with my eyes today. Right, that one. But these can be cut off, you know, and used individually. So make the use of what you've got as much as you can. So that's that one. That needs to go back there. And then I have, let's have a look at this. I've put you 1 metre of this in, which is the cream. It's beautiful. Just gorgeous. But it's, you know, goldy. It'll all fit in together, tie in together. But then I've given you 2 metres of this. Which, oh sorry, it's that way. 2 metres of that one. It's like a corded trim. And it's gorgeous. Come on, mate. Like that. So, oh, need to put that in a bag on its own, love. You silly woman. Right, so let's put that in there. No, just not to trim off, sorry. So I've decided to give you this as well, so you can cut these up individually. A flower trim. I've given you that one, which you can cut up individually. You can actually make a butterfly from these. So you've got that one. I'll put that one in with that one, I think. And then you've got the gold, to make the gold flower if you're going to do a gold flower for that. This is, like I said, my all-time favourite. To do flowers with, it's superb. Yes, I think it's the best trim. And I've made thousands of flowers. But it's the best trim to make flowers with. So I'm just going to pop that in that side of that one. And look at this. It's just stunning. So, now I'm going to include this. Someone's tried to mend it and they've used pearls with holes in. It might have been me. No, I'm only kidding. They need taking off and either putting diamante in or putting fresh pearls in. You know, a fresh set of pearls. There's one missing, but it's got the right colours in. It's just gorgeous. Although it'll go with that one. Look how it stands out with that. I can't remember. It's a brooch, vintage brooch. But anyway, I'm putting that in. And I can find another bag. Have a look. Yeah. I'm sure somebody can do something with it. I don't want to waste it. So that's that. And then you've got a large piece of the crushed velvet in brown. Because I think brown and black and gold go well together. So you've got that. And it'll cover a book, if nothing else. And make a flower, actually. Well, I could make it both. Okay. So that's that. And you've got this beautiful, stunning piece of silk fabric. Now, you could use either. But that is just gorgeous. Now, what I suggest, because it does fray, as you can see, is when you've cut out whatever it is you're doing, you seal it off with your lighter, it'll be fine. Just be careful with it. But that is gorgeous. And that concludes this particular kit, which is a big kit. And that one is £20 plus shipping. And there is quite a lot in there. And this was very expensive. I did tell you it was expensive. I showed it in a video not long ago. Let me put your pins in something. And said that I would be including it in the kits. But I'd have to cut it, obviously, because how expensive it was. And why shouldn't we treat ourselves to something a little bit nicer, even though everything's nice that we sell, to play around with and just make something from it. 5, 6, yeah, 1. Oh dear, I think I'm coming down with a chill or something. So, we've got that, those, that, and that. And that's the kit, and that is £20. And for what you're getting, it is well worth the money. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.